Total Spa, the 70th edition of the race. So big event. We've got 2 Total sponsored cars and a Total sponsored event. I've literally just arrived and walking in to go meet the team. So I'm here just to kind of mingle, watch the team, see how the engineers, see how the drivers work over the 24-hour race, as well as show some sponsors around as well. As a driver, driving for the team, and an English speaker, they've asked me to do a couple of presentations about the event, the car, and how they've been getting on so far, which so far has been very, very good. They had provisional pole in qualifying, which was fantastic for the pro car of Tom Blomqvist, Christian Cronus and Philip Peng, and the AM car's 5th in class for qualifying as well. So after the shootout, they end up P8, but yeah, to show they've got a strong lineup, strong team for the race. So looking forward. It's 9:30 now. The race kicks off at 4:30, so we've got a lot of press work to do beforehand, and then the big event. So I'll walk you through the whole event. Stay tuned. So over in the background we've got a little bit of driver practice change going on, last minute stuff, but quick walk around the garage, office in here so the engineers can get away from the hustle and bustle of the garage, should they need to go through anything in detail. Spare parts for days, front bumper, bonnets, another front bumper, doors, diffusers, front and left lights as well. And then out the back here, this section is all Walkenhorst. So tyre tents, 2 lots of tyre warmers for 2 cars. And through the back here, we've got the driver's lorry just here. So this is where all their kit is. They can drive thing and get changed in a little bit of peace and quiet. And then this is where their beds will be. 2 whole beds, complete with a little air vent at the top there. And considering we are literally in the middle of the paddock, so literally looking out of this door here, that's the rundown from La Source to Eau Rouge, and then behind these buildings are the main garages. So it is going to be absolutely so noisy. So yeah, sleep is a very valued thing here at 24-hour races, because there's just nowhere to get away from it. You are literally in the middle of the circuit, and you can't get away from the noise. So best of luck to the guys trying to sleep there this evening. So yeah, it's more of a functional garage on this side, and then on this side here there's a VIP viewing area, a bit of a bench as well, a little bit more posh, so that sponsors and guests can relax in peace. Hey, he's got a t-shirt.
Yes, it's medium.
And here we go. First, second, third, fourth within 10 seconds. That's our car, and here's 5th to 12th. the opportunity to catch up as it's going 60 out of the circuit at the moment. 34 cars still running top 10. 36 car is slowly making its way up, but it's still 8 laps behind the leader or something like that within its car. So it's been a long race for those guys. Hopefully we'll get some good track time and get somewhere near the front. Yeah, beautiful sunset at the moment, and looking forward to the night now. There's still 18 hours to go. Another one bites the dust. It's a 34 car P2 overall. 26 seconds off the lead. 16 hours to go. So 3 o'clock in the morning. Cars are P1 at the moment. Philip Eng and Tom Blomqvist turning out some serious stints. It's seriously impressive to watch those two drive. Yeah, so consistent and so fast, and so much faster than everyone else. It's mega to watch. So 4:42 in the morning, and we're about to go racing again. Yeah, big shunt. Red flagged it straight away, so hopefully those guys are okay. And then, just like the Nürburgring 24-hour, it's a full restart effectively. They're doing it in safety car order, which is probably the best thing to do, which doesn't put like first and second right next to each other for example. So yeah, we're starting on pole anyway. So Philip Eng is in the car, who's been absolutely rapid. So hopefully he can just pull a big gap to P2 and make use of the clear space. And then on to sunrise. So 5:17, the black night sky is starting to turn into blue, and we have technical pit stops, which means brake disc and pad change, complete with caliper as well. And just like that, pads and discs on the front end changed, new sets of tyres, car's already been fueled, new driver, and it's going back out again. A sight to behold, the sunrise, which means we've made it to the sunrise, just over halfway. And the car is just coming in now, might be in for a technical pit stop, I'm not sure. Lots of German going around, which I don't understand. And have a quick nap, so 2 hours in the truck somehow, just literally perched up in a corner. come back out at 9 o'clock. So the team are currently in P7 at the moment, so we've lost a few places in the 2 hours. I believe that's down to having doing our technical checks and the 5-minute brake change and everything. Pace looks good though, so hopefully we can make the time up that we've lost in the 2 hours that I've been asleep anyways. Bring it on home to the finish. Warming up now, it looks dry, so should be a clear run to the finish. So now in the BMW Hospitality, and it's turned into a 2-horse BMW race, Walkenhorst versus Row Racing. Row Racing won here in 2016, and the late race, the latest 4-course yellow, has grouped them both together, both fueled up, both tyres. It was a straight fight to the end now. And they're literally trading sector times for sector times. It's super, super close, so it could be a mega end to a mega race. No action stations, last pit stop of the 24 hours, last planned pit stop anyways, 51 minutes to go, 20-second lead over the other Row Racing BMW. Just hopefully these guys can turn around a quick stop and bring it home. Hopefully fast. And with 7 minutes left, we are starting to believe the BMW M flags are out. Teams arm in arm. Still everything crossed. 7 minutes to go. I must admit, this is something I've always wanted to do. Woohoo, come on, flag! SPA24-hour winners. SPA24-hour winners. BMW 1-2. Wow, what a result. That was an experience and a half. Okay.
For Walkenhorst Motorsport, Tom Blancpain, Christian Krognas, Philippe Eng. L'équipe Walkenhorst Motorsport que l'on peut applaudir, Tom Blancpain, Christian Krognas, Philippe Eng. Et la victoire de BMW au terme de ses 70e Total 24hrs Spa. Juste magique, just magic. La victoire 71e édition qui promet d'être juste exceptionnelle, bien sûr. Merci à toutes les équipes qui nous ont donné un coup de main. Merci à l'équipe de SIR notamment, merci à François Vanderman pour la technique, merci à Guigos, merci à Christian Lay, merci à Kesko.
They set the bar for VLN in 4 weeks time, so looking forward to get back out one of their cars, so cannot wait.
Merci à tous, j'aimerais particulièrement
Let's go drink some champagne.
qui est tombé. Il y a eu beaucoup de travail ce week-end.
Hier, Z4 GT3, schau, Lukas Luhr, Nick Hetzberg.